Hi, welcome to my channel, Creative Frame of Mind. Today we're going to be going through my house and looking at certain spots that I would love to change and improve. And I'm going to be showing you the most high priority areas that I want to change. So right now we are standing in the primary bathroom. So it's the bathroom that's adjacent to our bedroom. And there's so many things I'd love to change about this room. First of all, white tile. I'm not a fan. This house was built in the early 2000s, and so this shower, there's definitely enough room for a bigger shower. You could easily expand it this way. I mean, it's a pretty good amount of space. In addition, I don't know that you need a vanity that is this long. I mean, this is a huge amount of space between the two sinks. You could really, make this a smaller vanity, and you could gain some space for the shower if you wanted to keep it in the same spot. I don't really know. I just know that there's lots of things I would like to change about this bathroom. And in our last house, we have done a full bathroom remodel. We took down some walls, we added a bathtub, we did a full tile in the shower, and we did tile up the wall similar to this. Don't know that I'd do that again, but we definitely have experience redoing a bathroom. It's singular, one bathroom, but still we learned a lot in the process. So I feel like we could probably redo this one. It's not on the agenda right now though, but it's definitely something that I want to work on. I'd also like to do a really simple project and add some trim around the mirror so it looked like it was an actual wooden mirror. And I don't think that would be terribly expensive to do. I've looked and I haven't gotten around to it, but it's on my list of things to do. I definitely want to update this light fixture. These are actually like something we already had. They're like spice rack shelves, and honestly, I think they might be one of the things I like most about this room. I just think they're really simple and kind of sleek looking, and I like them. I don't think they go with anything else, but I do like them here. So there's that. It might be nice to have a medicine cabinet though instead of all that, but I kind of like having open shelving, so we may change that up. I thought it'd be nice to have some shelves here. So there's just a lot I would like to do to this bathroom. Mainly the biggest concerns are the tile and getting the white tile on the floor to be something else, anything else, making the shower bigger, making the tub bigger, making the vanity smaller. So just like lots of things. It is a good amount of space. I mean, it's not enormous, but it's also not tiny. I feel like it's like a medium-sized bathroom, and the space could definitely be used more efficiently. So those are the things I'd like to change about this primary bathroom. So here we have the guest bathroom, and it's really simple. It works well enough. I mean, there's nothing amazing about it. There's nothing awful about it. It's just kind of like just enough space for a toilet and a sink. It is a little bit dark in here, but the sun's going down. So let me see if I add this guy. All of the things have these old lights that need to be cleaned, and they're kind of icky. But anyway, but yeah, it's fine. I'm not excited about it, but I think it works well enough. I like the mirror. Don't love the light. Other than that, I think I might paint the mirror. I'm not sure. The sink is fine. The toilet was newly replaced because all of the toilets were bad in this house pretty much. So we had to replace all of them. I think we did that about 2 months ago because we kept having issues and it was driving me crazy. So Anyway, so this is the guest bathroom. So this is our front door, and this is not shabby chic. This is me stripping off 3 layers of paint off of our front door. I am not done with it. It still needs, some. This is the base color that was on the door, sort of a purpley, I don't know, it just makes me think of like 1980s nail polish color. So yeah. So this is the door that I'm stripping right now. I think it'll look really nice. I was going to go with a blue, like a dark blue color. I thought it would look nice with the gold accents on the windows here. Gold accents on the windows. I thought it would look nice. Yeah, I'm going to kind of pop. And then also it's going to go well with the gray siding. I think it'll look nice with that too. So I'm excited to get this done. This is like my first project that I have done in our new house. My very first project. So I'm excited to get it painted and all that. So this is my living room. It is not perfectly clean, but there's kids' books on the coffee table and some project, a laminator machine and everything. But it does have quite high ceilings. And so eventually I want to add faux beams in here. I don't think it would be terribly hard to do, but if you can see, the ceiling is sort of sloped. It kind of goes up. So it's the highest in the hallway here. We took that light down and put it somewhere else because it was quite fancy. And then we have this one wooden accent wall, and I don't really know what to do with it. It's just one wall, and yeah, I'm not really sure what to do with it. I kind of like it, I kind of don't, I don't know, but there you go. And then the living room is quite a lot of space. I don't know if we have the best arrangement of our furniture. I kind of want an armchair too. But this is where we landed right now. So we have the sort of couches spread apart. This coffee table moves. There's a little Yoda on the floor. Anyway, but yeah, this is our living room. And the biggest project in here is, of course, painting and adding faux beams. I also have a friend that's going to help me make some Roman shades for the windows in here, because these blinds, I mean, they were here when we got here, but they don't really work that well. It's hard to take them up and down, so we're going to do some Roman shades, just a really neutral color. So I'm going to add those. This is here's my puppy dog, and this is our fireplace. And I really want to redo the stone on here. Right there is the corbel that we're working on. We want to put a big chunky corbel underneath the shelf. And so that's the corbel that we're working on. I don't know if we're totally done with it. I was going to do a project. I was going to do a video about that as well. But it's quite a wide shelf. It matches the one downstairs. And I have a variety of things trying to be like springy or something. It's kind of a mess right now. But anyway, this is why I want to redo it though. You can pull rocks. Well, not that one. You saw that one move. But you can pull like rocks right out of the mantle. So I just don't love that. I definitely would like a different look. I'd like to do sort of like a cobblestone or a river rock kind of thing. So I don't love it. And I really think, especially because we live in the mountains, I really think a fireplace is important, and we use it quite a lot. This fireplace has I guess it's a propane hookup inside, and so this fireplace comes on like by itself, related to temperature, and so it's sort of a heater that comes on and off, which is kind of interesting. It took a while to adjust to, because it was kind of like living in Dracula's castle for a minute, because it would just like come on and like, blaze, and it was creepy at first. And it would also make a loud sound when it came on, so it scared me. But anyway, but this is our, and I don't hate this. I think I like this fireplace more than the one downstairs, but at the same time, I'd like it to look different. So this may be a project that we do in the future.